Welcome back. Welcome to section 2, and well done on finishing section 1, where we have learnt to physically move around in Roblox Studio, and we've built a little model and we've done a few things but haven't actually got into coding yet, and that's what section 2 will be about. We're going to be covering the basic programming concepts that are used in programming across numerous languages, and particularly useful to us here. So we're going to select a new project, or create a new project with just a base plate. So go ahead and click on that, and we'll wait for that to open. It's taking a minute. There it is. All right. Okay, so in this, we're not going to deal too much with objects and things in the actual game environment, but we're going to be looking at the actual code that goes into building up some of the logic that helps us run games. So to start with, we're going to add a script to this service script service in the Explorer. If we click on the plus sign next to that, we'll see script in my frequently used. Now if this doesn't appear here, simply type script into the search box and you'll see it come up. Click on that and we add a script to the service script service. Now what that means is that when the game runs Roblox on Roblox server, it has this special folder or space where it stores all of your scripts that you want to run on the server, which means no other players, etc. have access to this script, and it's protected on the server. Alright, so this is our first script here we've added to our project, and we always get this line that pops up in here, print hello world. So if we were just to go ahead and save this, and we'll save it as section 2, and I'll give it a version number. If we just hit play with this now, you'll notice down in the output we have hello world, and that's the message that was displayed inside the script. If you put your mouse over it, we have a tooltip that says click on this, and it shows us which line delivered this message, which is pretty cool. Alright, so we'll stop the game running. Always make sure your game is stopped before you start editing code or doing anything, as that will cause problems. Alright, so these videos will be quite short, and I just want to focus on one issue at a time and then move on. So in here we can change our message that's inside here. If you like, you can put in your own name, so you can put in hello Brendan or whatever you like between these two quotes, and that's what will be delivered to the output. There we go, hello Brendan. This is referred to as a string in here. So this is printing out a string at the moment. But in the next video, we're going to look at variables that can hold strings and many other data types, and start to build on the idea of working with scripts. Alright, I'll leave that video there, and we will see you in the next one.